other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Las Vegas, El Porvenir, Montezuma, Story Lake State Park, Romerville, Tecolote, Mineral Hill, San Geronimo, Guarenas, San Pablo, and Ojitos Rios. This includes the following highways: State Road 283 between mile markers 1 and 12 and near mile marker 14. State Road 65 between mile markers 1 and 14. State Road 518 between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 25 between mile markers 334 and 349. Flash flood warning for the Hermit's Peak Camp.